Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 1.2, question number 23. Dear students, this is lecture number 6 and HW number 5. Our today's HW will be example 11, HW 5. Topic is exercise 1.2, example 11. Okay, dear students, now let us start our today's CW. Here the question is, it is a CQ. In the STEM it is written that 384 and 2187 are two numbers. Two numbers given. A number question, verify with factors whether the first number be perfect square. First number is 384. At first we have to find out its prime factors. That means we will write the number as the form of the multiplication of its prime factor. Here first number is, here first number is 384. Now in rough we'll find out its prime factors. At first we can divide 384 by 2, then 3 ones are 2 ones are 2 and 9 2s are 18, then 2 2s are 4, 192. Then again you can divide it by 2, then 9 2s are 18 and 6 2s are 12. Again you can divide it by 2, it will be 48. Again you can divide, then it will be 24. Again you can divide 2, it will be 12. Now you can divide by 2, then it will be 6. Again we can divide by 2, then it will be 3. Therefore, we can write 384 equal to how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 2 and 1 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 2 we have written. Now 1 3. Now we'll make pair taking two same number. At first taking this 2 2 we can make 2 multiplication 2 1 pair, and taking this 2 2 we can make another 1 pair 2 multiplication 2. Again taking this 2 2 we can make another 1 pair 2 multiplication 2. Dear student, this 2 has no pair and this 3 has no pair. That means 384, this number is not a perfect square number. Since 2 and 3 has no pair, so that 384 is not a perfect square number. Here for getting pair of 2 we have to multiply this number by 2, and for getting pair of 3 we have to multiply this number by 3. That means we have to multiply this number by 6 for converting it into perfect square. Again if we divide this number by 2 and 3, that means if we divide this number by 6, then these 2 and 3 will remove, then the number will be converted into a perfect square. Okay, dear students, we have solved a number. Now we'll solve B number. B number question is, if the second number is not perfect square number, what is the least number to be multiplied to get a perfect square number, and what is the perfect square number? Here we have to, second number is 2187. At first we will write this number as the form of the product of its prime factors. Here second number is 2187. Okay, now we have to determine the prime factors of this number. 2187. We cannot divide it by 2 because it's odd number. Now we can divide it by 3. Then 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, and 3 9s are 27. Again you can divide this number by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now, yes, again you can divide this number by 3, then 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Now we can divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. Again you can divide it by 3, then it will be 9. Again we can divide it by 3, then it will be 3 3s are 9. That means we can write therefore 2187. This is equal to how many 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 3. 3 multiplication 3 multiplication 3 multiplication 3 multiplication 3 multiplication 3. How many 3 I have written here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I have written 7 3. Now taking first 2 3 we can make one pair, and taking another 2 3 we can make another pair, and taking this 2 3 we can make another pair. This 3 has no pair. That means 2187 is not a perfect square, since 3 has no pair. So since 3 has no pair, so 2187 is not a perfect square number. For getting pair of 3, we have to multiply the number. By 3. That means if we multiply this number by 3, then this number will be converted into a perfect square number. If we multiply 2187 by 3, then the number would be a perfect square number. Now we'll find out that perfect square number. Therefore required perfect square number. Required perfect square number equal to 2187 multiplication by 3. Now here 7 3s are 21, 1 carrying 2, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2, this is equal to 26, 6 carrying 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and 2 3s are 6, 6561 will be the perfect square number. Answer 6561. Okay, dear the students, we have solved B number. Now we'll solve C number. I am erasing B number. Here the question is, what is the least number is to be added so that the total sum is a perfect square? What is the least number is to be added with second number? It will be, what is the least number is to be added with second number so that the total sum is a perfect square? Here in the question we have to take correction. What is the least number is to be added to second number? To second number, so that the total sum is a perfect square number. So at first we will write second number. Here second number is 2187. Now it is not a perfect square. We have which number is to be added to it so that the number will be a perfect square. We have to find it. At first in division method we will try to find out its square root. Now 2187 will make two pair, taking 8 and 7 one pair and taking 2 and 1 we can make another one pair. Now if we take here 4, then 4 4s are 16. Cannot take 5 because 5 5s are 25, which is greater. 4 4s are 16. After subtracting we will get here 5. Now we take another pair 8 and 7. The number is 587. Now 2 times of 4 is 8. Now if we take 7 with 87, then what will be the number? 7 7s are 49, 9 carrying 4, and 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4 equal to 60, which is greater. So we cannot take 7, we have to take 6. If we take 6 here, then 6 6 are 36. 6 carrying 3. Now 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 equal to 51. If we subtract, then 7 minus 6 equal to 1 and 8 minus 1 equal to 7. That means remainder comes 71. So that 2187 is not a perfect square. Therefore 2187 is not a perfect square number. Now the next number of 46 we will find, it will be 47. The next number, next integer number of 46. Next integer of 46 is, it will be 46 plus 1, this is equal to 47. Now we will find out the square of 47. Square of 47, it will be 47 square, this is 47 multiplication 47. And this is equal to, if we multiply 47 with 47, then what will be the Answer 47 by 47. Then 7 7s are 49. We have written 9 carrying 4. Again put 7s are 28. 28 plus 4, this is equal to 32. Now we'll take 0 in ones place. Put 7s are 28. 8 carrying 2. 4 ports are 16. 16 plus 2 equal to 18. If we add, then 9 plus 0 equal to 9. 3 plus 8 equal to 10. 0 carrying 1. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. 2 carrying 1. 2. 2209. 2209. Okay, here 2209 is the perfect square number, but 2187 is not a perfect square number. Now the question is, which number is to be added to the number so that this number converted into 2209. If we subtract 2187 from 2209, then we can get the required smallest number. Therefore, required smallest number equal to required smallest number equal to 2209 minus 2187. 2187. This is equal to 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Then 0 minus 8, that means 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Carrying 1 add, then it will be 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0 and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So that if we add 22 with 2187, then the number will be 2209, which is a perfect square number. So the required smallest number will be 22 and answer 22. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Now I am giving you today's SW. Dear students, our today's SW number 5 number SW, and topic is exercise 1.2 example number 11. Example 11 is your SW. Okay, do the practice more and more at home and do your SW properly. Submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.